Hello, my name is Teresa, and today I come to talk to you about a character who I admire a lot. That character is public, and his name is Nick Vujicic. Is a man from Australia who was born without his upper and lower limbs. Nick is someone really incredible with very beautiful beauty of inside and outside, because despite his disability he managed to be strong and fight with every obstacles in his life, both internally in order to overcome himself, be strong, and be able to provide an example of life to many people in the world. Nick is beautiful person on the outside, because despite not having his limbs, that that does not make him less than uh, anyone else. The outer beauty is ephemeral thanks to the lack of his limbs. He has managed to do with his life what the many people having all their means waits them. Thanks.